Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Fitri Satyasari, number 3, class 9E. Well, one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, leaping and singing to hurt its content, and passed by, bearing along with great effort, ear of corn. He taking to the nest. "Why not come and chat with me?" said the grasshopper. "Instead of toiling and moiling away, I am helping lay up food for the winter," said the ant. "I recommend you to do the same. To bother about winter," said the grasshopper. "I've got plenty of food at present." The ant went on its way and continued its toil. There came the grasshopper, itself dying of hunger, while it saw the ants distributing every day corn and grain from the stores they had collected in the summer. Then the grasshopper